Getting 64-bit integer in Python. So I am thinking of writing a bitboard in Python or Lisp. But I don't know how to ensure I would get a 64-bit integer in Python. I have been reading documentation and found that MPZ library returns an unsigned 32-bit integer. Is this true? If not, what should I do?
Python 2 has two integer types. Int, which is a signed integer whose size equals your machine's word size, but is always at least 32 bits, and long, which is unlimited in size. Python 3 has only one integer type, which is called int, but is equivalent to a Python 2 long.
You have a couple of options using GMPY. Here is one example using GMPY. GMPY2 is the development version of GMPY and includes a new type called XMPZ that allows more direct access to the bits. There are other solutions such as bit array you might want to look at. Disclaimer, I maintain GMPY and GMPY2.